Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Here's what we got on the dyno here. 427 Windsor Stroker, built from a dark block. This is gorgeous. I custom painted this thing Eleanor gray. We got AFR heads. We got a full forged rotating assembly by Eagle. We got one-piece polychrome push rods, stainless steel roller rockers on this. We got a full boat system from CVF, MSD distributor, 750 Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake. Hey, this is what I talk about when we call quality. You're going to check out the run. It makes some fantastic power. This is a 575 build, made 591, but wait till you see the torque numbers off idle. I made a spring change that I usually don't do. I usually sit, but I just felt like playing with something, and I brought the bottom end and picked up tremendously on the bottom end. You got 560 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPM. This gentleman's going to really love what I did with that change. Again, anything we can help you with, give us a call. Peace, and enjoy the video. All right, RJ, I got your 67 Eleanor on the dyno. Happens to be one of our 427 Windsor Strokers. This one is painted that, you want to call it pepper, I call it Eleanor gray. The motor runs fantastic. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo. That bad boy kicks right up. My battery's getting a little bit. That's nice. Dyno brake on. We're going to pull it to 5,800. Air compressor went on.